Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another Cooking It Up. So today we are going to make a delicious spicy shrimp taco. Alright, and it's delicious, it's healthy, and it's something that you can share and do with the family as well. What we're going to start off with is introducing to you all the ingredients that's going to be needed in this recipe. Now there's different stages, so for now I'm gonna just give you the complete ingredients for this dish, and then I'm gonna break it down. Okay, you're gonna need some lime juice. All right, I already have some on the side prepared. You're also gonna need some garlic cloves. You're also gonna need some extra virgin olive oil. You're also gonna need some cumin powder. Okay, here we go again. We're using something again with the cumin powder. Another thing you're going to need is some chili powder. Okay, because we're going to be making our salsa from scratch. Another ingredient you're going to need is some onion powder. Alright, you're also going to need some black pepper. You're going to need some cilantro. Alright, like 1/4 cup. You're also going to need some jalapeno peppers, and this is about 2 jalapeno pepper, and it all depends on the size and the amount of people that you're preparing for. And I have my kosher salt right here, about 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. And of course, you know, we're going to need our avocado. Yes, I already got them sliced on the side and ready, as well as 2 chopped tomatoes. Now the recipe calls for 1, but being that I have a big family, of course, you know, I have to do 2. And of course, you're going to do 20 to 40 shrimps depending on the size family that you're cooking for. And I decided to go with the jumbo shrimps. Alright. And of course, you're going to need your soft taco shells. Yes. Okay, this is delicious. Alright. And you're also going to need some side things as well. So optional, you can use some sour cream. Now to start off, we're going to season our shrimp. Okay, now we're going to move everything else on the side. We're going to start off with our shrimp, the main ingredient. And being that I have enough time, I'm going to also marinate the shrimp in the refrigerator so that it can be full of lots of flavors. Now to season our shrimp, we're going to put the olive oil. Now we're going to use the 1 tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, then we're also going to add the garlic. Okay, so we're going to add in our garlic as well. Then you're also going to add in your cumin powder. Your chili powder, your onion powder, and your kosher salt. Okay, now that we have all of our seasonings inside of our shrimp, we're going to mix it up nice and well. Okay, so you're going to toss and coat it completely. Alright, make sure all the shrimps are nicely saturated with the seasoning mix. Okay, that looks really good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to refrigerate this, let it marinate for a few hours, refrigerate it, and come back to it when it's time to start the cooking. And you can use aluminum foil to cover it. I ran out, so I'm going to use my Saran Wrap. And you just refrigerate this. So that's what I'm getting ready to do next. Okay, so now that we have our shrimp marinated in the refrigerator, we're going to start to prepare our salsa. Okay, so now we're going to start with our salsa. Okay, you don't need a big bowl like this, but for the video purposes, I got my big bowl. So in this bowl, we're going to combine the tomatoes. Okay, your avocados. Now we didn't cut that yet. Now being that we didn't cut our avocados, except one, we're going to start that right now. Alright, so I already pre-sliced it. Now what I should do first is just slice the avocado slightly. Make my little slices inside. Okay. Alright. And then we're going to do the same for this one as well. Now you're just going to take your spoon and now you're just going to scoop it out, and it's already sliced into chunks, and drop that inside there as well. Okay. You're going to do the next one too. Okay, now we're going to add in our jalapeno peppers. We're going to add in our cilantro. And we're going to add in some lime juice. Now we're going to combine all of these wonderful flavors. We're going to also add in a little bit of black pepper. Okay. So about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. That looks delicious, you guys. Okay, now that's your salsa that you're preparing. Like I said, it all depends on how many people you're cooking for, but we will see. At least for video purposes, you guys know exactly what to do. Alright, so again, what we're going to do until the shrimp is finished marinating. Alright, so we're just going to cover this and pop it into our refrigerator until we're ready to start. So now we have our shrimp mixture and we have our salsa mixture ready to go. Okay, welcome back, family. So now we are ready to get started with our cooking. So what you're going to need now is either a nice cast iron skillet or a regular iron skillet, and you're going to put it on your stove and heat it on a medium flame for at least 2 minutes. Then once you've done that, you add your extra virgin olive oil to your pan. Okay, once your skillet is nice and hot, now you're going to add in your shrimp mixture. I'm just going to pour that all in there, get all that goodness. And you're just going to stir your shrimp until it's cooked. While our shrimp is cooking, because we're going to keep stirring that until it's actually cooked. So in the meantime, we're going to get our pan, skillet, whatever you have to kind of fry your tortilla chips, but that's what we're going to do. I'm going to place it in the oven. So let me get ready for that. I'll be right back. Okay. So our shrimp is ready, and so are the tortillas, and next is the presentation. Okay, you guys, so we're just going to dress up our tortillas. Gonna get some of that tomatoes up in there, and you can actually add other vegetables in here to your liking. Could be some lettuce. Okay, whatever you like in your tortillas. You guys, and there you go, your spicy shrimp tacos. All right, delicious. Very nice, you guys. All right, so you can dress it up with whatever chili sauce or taco sauce that you want to put on there, but I can tell you this much, with the jalapenos in there, you don't need anything else spicy. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for joining me with this healthy cooking it up with Donna in the kitchen video. Okay, and enjoy your spicy shrimp tacos. All right, you guys, bon appetit. Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it, so this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.